Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and please join me on another trip, the last one before the year is over. 2021, man, it turned out way more unexpected than I thought it would. I did a lot of stuff that I didn't even plan on doing, and that's pretty awesome. But yeah, one last unexpected thing. It is 2 days after Christmas, and I said, man, I can't wait till January. I have to get one more video in. I have to go somewhere. It's exactly what we're doing. Can you tell where we're at? I'll give you 5 seconds to guess while we look. Yeah, I mean, I'm not giving you much to go off of, but we are in Nashville, Tennessee. So we got in one final state before the year's over, and yeah, I've been to Nashville one other time. I came here for like 24 hours one time, randomly on Valentine's Day, and I really did enjoy it. And I said, all right, I've definitely got to come back to Nashville and take in some of the sights, which I didn't do last time. I just had surgery on my ACL last time I was here, so I was just walking. I still had a leg brace on. I just started walking again, so I didn't do much. I went to a cool mall, but we are downtown. And yeah, the capitals in the South are really, really awesome. They're always fashioned off something else from another country. And I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe it's Pantheon, the Greek building, right? Or Greek thing? I don't know. I'm not the smartest person, but yeah, the capital here in Tennessee is fashioned off that. Reminds me a lot of the columns that I stood beside in Paris. It's pretty similar. All right, we walked up the steps, giant columns, fancy doors, but there is a statue here, so we will check that out as well. I just want to see some of the architecture here. Yeah, look at this giant metal butt. That's the hard-hitting journalism we're doing here. We're finding giant metal butts. All right, so real quick while we walk into the heart of downtown, my first impressions of Nashville is I actually don't have any impressions. I didn't have any expectations, that's what I mean to say. And if you didn't know that you were in Nashville, Tennessee, this is one of the few cities I've been in the South where I actually don't feel like I'm in the South at all. It's very strange, but yeah, I don't even feel like I'm in a southern state at all. If I had to say the feel of it, I kind of feel like a big Midwest city, maybe almost a little bit of a northern city. Yeah, the architecture is beautiful. What I do know is Nashville was founded in 1779 or 99 or something like that, so I don't really know. But it was called Nashboro, Fort Nashboro, when it was first founded. And then in the beginning of the 1800s, the name was changed to Nashville. So we're getting into the heart of downtown now. We'll go this way. All right, so actually, dude, look at this little side street I just found. Like a little tunnel. We definitely gotta hit a tunnel, dude. Crazy. So another quick Nashville fact while we're walking this little dungeon seeker area. Whoa, look, it's so crazy. It's like a mirror. Nashville has the biggest Kurdish population in the United States. It's pretty crazy. This is a nice little alley. This is really cool. Let's see what we can find popping out. Oh, the feds are right there, the police. I wonder if I'll get in trouble for filming. Only one way to find out. Does this haunt your nightmares? Alright, gotta get in as much filming as possible. Starting to feel little raindrops, but I think we're finding like the more Main Street area, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, we're getting pretty close. Something alley up there. Maybe Painter's Alley, Printer's Alley. Huh, I think I do remember reading something about printers when I 100% completely forgot. So, but we'll look over here real quick. Yeah, pretty cool. Damn, it definitely is sprinkling. So we've got a run and gun, man. Run and gun. Dude, I just tried to rent one of those Lime scooters, you know, like the little rentable riding scooters. And I have the apps on my phone for Bird and Lime. Like I use them. I used it recently in Paris and all these places. And actually, never mind. I don't know why I said that. I did not use it in Paris. I thought about using it in Paris, but I didn't. I couldn't. But I've used it all these places, and I just tried to use the Lime scooter, and it literally said scan your ID for age verification. One, I never carry an ID with me anywhere. Literally anywhere. I have, oh yeah, I think we found another alley. This one. But I don't even have a state ID. I don't carry an ID anywhere. But I don't even have a regular ID. I only have my passport. That's all I have. So anytime I go somewhere and they need an ID and I pull out a passport, they're always so confused. But look at this alley. Yeah, this is if I pictured Nashville in my head, this behind me is exactly what I would picture. So that does, I guess, fit the expectations a little bit that I did have. It's actually pretty long down here. It goes to the next street over. Man, this is what happens when you just go to a city and just start getting lost. Should I title this one Getting Lost in Downtown Nashville? Because I am. So I guess I will keep up with that series as much as we can keep it going. Alright, so got something to drink, a few things really quick. This building right here with the Batman looking arches on top, AT&T building. From what I read up, this is in fact the tallest building in all of Tennessee. Oh yeah, no problem. I didn't realize I was in a parking lot, sorry. I was just trying to look at the building. No problem, no problem. Of course, no problem, sorry. I didn't realize I was going into a parking lot. But when I was driving up to Nashville, there was another building, maybe the Regions building right beside it. And from far away, or even that building right there, that one does look taller. But maybe the arches on top make it the biggest building in Tennessee. Yeah, I don't know. But I think it looks cool. AT&T, I didn't even know that was still a thing. I thought it was like a phone service before. But we're gonna head actually down there by that building. But I would be, I guess, a little upset if we came all the way here and didn't briefly look at the NFL stadium, I think. All right, so the stadium's right there, but what the hell is going on over here? There's a whole freaking log village. Okay, I don't want to get ran over. But what the hell is going on over here? How did I not know there was a whole log village right along the river? So let's walk up real quick and just look at the stadium briefly. Yeah, I only like one NFL team now. And me being from Florida, you would think it was a Florida team. There's 3 pro NFL teams in Florida, but it's not. For some reason, I've always liked the Green Bay Packers. Maybe it's the colors or whatever, but that's who I like. All right, this is actually a nice shot. Yeah, I wonder what it is. Look at this. It reminds me of like those playgrounds when we were little. We'd play on like those wooden playgrounds. Or like this little thing I went to in St. Augustine before, like a wooden village thing. All right. What is this wooden village? Street. Bro, I literally cannot make this shit up. I'm walking through there. I see some homeless people sleeping there. So I want to be respectful and not film them as much as I can. I try to film around them. I don't know if you knew that or not, that I was filming around them. I get all the way to the fucking edge of the village and this guy starts coughing and then farting like a cartoon fart, like, and it was pretty funny. But was it worth the view? I think so. Well, I can actually hear something coming out of this manhole. Yeah, probably not that interesting, but I don't know. Maybe the Ninja Turtles are in there. The Coyote Ugly Saloon. Have y'all ever seen that movie? Maybe that was based here on Nashville. I don't know. Wonder what that roller coaster looking thing is over there. Across the water. But I see the most people that I've seen downtown in one conjoined area, which is right here. So we're gonna go up there. Look, they have a walking bridge. Wow. I'm not gonna walk that. Don't feel like walking across it just to walk back. But yeah, this is where all the people are. So maybe this is like their waterfront area. Riverfront. Yeah, riverfront. Cool. Maybe there's something cool down here. I'm gonna go up here where all these people are, cut right back into the city, because I like getting lost in the actual city. When I'm right here, I feel like I'm not lost at all. I see this stuff. I like going down alleyways and random streets. Something smells really good, I do know that. All right. Yeah, we're gonna go up here and briefly look around. And if there's anything interesting, I'll turn the camera back on. But from right where I'm looking at, it doesn't really seem so. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, we are officially in, like, I don't know what this is called, the Legends Corner or something like that. The area in Nashville where everything happens. I was gonna not walk down here with the camera on because I know I'll get copyrighted. It's Music City, right? So what I will do instead is I'll just turn the audio down and put some music over this so I can show you guys everything down there. I guess with no commentary, but it's better than nothing, right? Maybe I'll find some cool country themed music, copyright free of course, so we can get a nice look at the city. This place looks awesome, man. Now that I actually go to all these cities and do all this stuff, I love going to gift shops and finding random souvenirs. One thing I try to do is get a sticker from each place to put on my computer, and another thing is I try to bring like something home from that city, put on my shelf. So we'll definitely go into some gift shops too. Maybe if there's no music in the gift shop, then I can yeah, film there with some commentary. But we will definitely go down here. I wonder if it's like this every day. Today is Monday, I think, Tuesday? I have no idea. Today's a Monday, I think. Yeah, Monday. So I wonder if this is like this every Monday, or because it's a couple days before New Year's Eve, is this what Nashville is like? So yeah, we'll definitely figure it out. So behind me, the most poppin' street, I guess, in Nashville, over here, downtown Nashville, CMT building. Batman building, all of that stuff. Yeah, dude, Nashville's pretty awesome. I got lost, found everything that I wanted to see. It's pretty cool how that works. Maybe this video is too dark for you even to see. I don't know, it's getting dark. But before it gets too dark and before I get back on the live music, I want to go ahead and tell you guys, thanks for watching. This year has been amazing. We've went a couple states in the US. We went to Paris, France. We had a great time. And that is just a preview of what's to come in 2022. I have a couple of great ideas of things I want to work on. So we'll see if I can incorporate those together. But guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you've made it this far, please hit a like, share the videos if you could, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you so much. Yeah, but here's the 2022. Peace out.